Alright, welcome back to the channel. We're jumping into it here. Still working on this 2005 Vibe mine. Just finished putting on this Amazon exhaust. It's almost too nice for this car at this point. But in my last going off topic, it was, the converter up there was leaking exhaust in the cab. Anyway, O2 sensor, bought some new ones since I'm already into this. So that was a 22 mil. The wire goes on this model through the floor, passenger side. There's a little clip right there. Pop the clip out, pull your mat back, and the plug is right here. Unplug it, and then it goes, the hole's like about here in the floor. Unplug it, pull it through the floor, plug it, put the new one back in, reverse process. Secondly, doing the upstream, which is right here. Well, the problem that I have discovered, well, not really a problem, but I've got an O2 sensor socket, 22 millimeter, doesn't fit because of the space. When you slide it on there, there's no space to do anything with it. However, Harbor Freight Pittsburgh has these these wrenches. 22 fits right over this end. Slide it all the way down, tighten it up, slide it all the way back off. And then last but not least, my hand's in the way, but anyways, plug that in. I finished plugging it in, but I measured it. Yeah, this looks tight, but that is exactly the same length as OEM. So, and then there's the new converter down there. It's got the new bolts. Got them tightened down. Just tighten them up. So, fun times, right? So that's done. So we've done an oil change. Pennzoil 5W30 is what I usually run. I did add some Hotshot 6 eliminator to it. It's actually a product for 6.0 turbo diesels. But I figured you can get in there, help break up some crud and whatever. I'm actually running it in a Kia 2-liter GDI because it's got like some sticky rings in it and it causes oil consumption. So I'm trying that out. And that, so far, I haven't checked the oil since I've done it. It's only been about a week, but you know how they are. They use like a quart every 1,000 miles. So hopefully this reduces that. Anyway, just want to give you guys a quick tip there that if you're doing the upstream on a Vibe with the 1.8, you could use a little bent wrench there from Harbor Freight to get it done, to get down in that tight space. I did have to, you can either heat it if it won't come out. I just kind of hit it on there and I just whacked it with a hammer and it popped free. So, anyways, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to finish buttoning this up and rotate the tires. And then write this all down in my logbook, and this is done.